Do you know that how your child was born could shape their immune system, their brain, and even their behavior? If your child was born via C-section and later diagnosed with autism, they may have a very different gut microbiome, which could increase their risk for food sensitivities, digestive issues, and even emotional dysregulation. In this video, we will uncover how birth method, gut health, and autism are connected and walk you through a simple, powerful, 4-phase gut healing plan that are already helping families around the world. During vaginal birth, a baby is naturally exposed to the mother's vaginal and intestinal flora, bacteria that help seed the baby's gut microbiome. But with C-section birth, this process is skipped. Instead, babies are first colonized by skin and hospital environment microbes. This shift can lead to microbial imbalance or dysbiosis from day one. Research shows that C-section babies tend to have less diversity in their gut flora, lower levels of beneficial bacteria like bifidobacteria or lactobacilli, high risk of food allergies, eczema, and even neurodevelopmental conditions. Although C-section itself doesn't cause autism, studies suggest that children with ASD are more likely to have been born via C-section, especially in combination with antibiotics, formula feeding, or other early life gut disruptors. If your child has autism, you might notice this already: chronic constipation, diarrhea, or bloating, picky eating and strong reaction to certain foods, and emotional meltdowns that follow specific meals. That's no coincidence. Children with autism frequently show signs of leaky gut, increased intestinal permeability, inflammation in the gut lining, higher rates of food sensitivities, especially to gluten and casein, dairy protein. Here's the science. When gluten or casein aren't fully broken down, they can form peptides that behave like opiates in the brain. These are called glutamorphins or casomorphins. In kids with leaky gut, this can leak into the bloodstream, affect focus, mood, and behavior. This explains why so many parents see dramatic improvements, less stimming, better sleep, more eye contact when they remove gluten and dairy from the diet. One of my patient's grandparents drove him everywhere in the country to find a treatment or help for him until themselves discovered removing the gluten from his diet had made the most dramatic improvement in his case. Well, let's break down the gut healing plan that works best for C-section plus ASD children. Phase 1, removal, first 2 to 4 weeks. The goal is to remove common inflammatory triggers, to eliminate gluten, dairy, soy, refined sugar, artificial color, and preservatives. Replace them with bone broth, wild-caught fish, organic meats, steamed vegetables, low-sugar fruits, healthy fats, ghee, olive oil, avocado, cooked, easy-to-digest meals. Start food and behavioral tracking journal. Note changes in stool, sleep, behave, and mood. Phase 2, to restore, the 4 to 8 weeks. The goal is to rebuild the gut microbiome. Introduce targeted probiotics: L. plantarum, B. infantis, L. rhamnosus, GG. Make it a powdered form for children. Add prebiotic fibers if tolerated. Cooked onions, green bananas, leeks. Minimize sugar and avoid unnecessary antibiotics. Phase 3, repair. the 4 to 6 weeks. The goal is to heal and strengthen the gut lining. Add gut healing nutrients. L-glutamine supports intestinal cells. Zinc, carnosine help mucosal repair. Vitamin D and omega-3 for inflammation control. Include teas and soups, slippery elm tea, chamomile, bone broth. Phase 4, reintroduce, which is ongoing. The goal is to personalize long-term nutrition. After at least 4 to 6 weeks of healing, reintroduce foods one at a time. Monitor for reaction over 3 to 5 days per food. Gluten is often best kept out long-term for highly sensitive children. This phase is about building a sustainable lifestyle that supports your child's unique biology. Want to stay on track? Use a simple daily log to track food introduced or removed, behavioral changes, bowel movements quality, sleep and energy levels. This gives you powerful insight into what's helping and what's not. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. Consistency beats intensity. If your child was born via C-section and is on the autism spectrum, addressing the gut could be the missing link. You can download our free gut healing PDF in the description, along with a printable food and behavioral tracker. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to the channel for more integrative, science-based health content, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Together, we can heal from the inside out.